10th Standard Social Science 1 mark questions. Business Studies Unit 2 Entrepreneurship. How is the word entrepreneur derived? The word entrepreneur is derived from the French word entreprendre. What is the meaning of the word entreprendre? To undertake some activity. Who is an entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is an innovator of new ideas and business processes. What is an entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is a process of an action of entrepreneur who undertakes to establish his enterprise. Who serve as the spark plug in the economy's engine? Entrepreneurs. Write the full form of IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India. Write the full form of NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Write the full form of Exim Bank, Export and Import Bank. Write the full form of SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India. Write the full form of IFCI, Industrial Finance Corporation of India. Write the full form of ICICI, Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. Write the full form of IRBI, Industrial Reconstruction Bank of India. Write the full form of UTI, Unit Trust of India. Who developed India's first hospital group, the Apollo Hospitals? Dr. Pratap Reddy. Who is the founder and chairman of Jet Airways? Naresh Goyal. Which is India's largest domestic airlines under private sector? Jet Airways. Who is one of the founders of Infosys Technologies Limited? Narayan Murthy. Which company became the first Indian company to be listed on Nasdaq? Infosys. Write the full form of NASDAQ. National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations. Who is known as the father of the White Revolution? Verghese Kurien. What is the achievement of Verghese Kurien? Amul Milk and Milk Products is the achievement of Verghese Kurien. Where did Verghese Kurien establish Anand Milk Dairy? Kaira district in Gujarat state. Who started his entrepreneurial career by selling bhajan books to pilgrims in Mount Girnar during the weekends? Dhirubhai Ambani. Who is the chairman of Wipro Technologies? Azim Premji. Who is the founder of the Reliance Company? Dhirubhai Ambani. Which is the largest software company in India? Wipro Technologies. Which is the largest independent research and development R&D provider? Wipro Technologies. Who is known as the Queen of Indian television sector? Ekta Kapoor. Who is the creative director of Balaji Telefilms? Ekta Kapoor. Who was awarded the Best Entrepreneur of the Year 2001 by Ernst Young? Ekta Kapoor. Who is the chairman and managing director of Biocon Limited? Kiran Muzumdar Shah.